Taxi! Hey, taxi!
Those are birds.
I know, I saw birds outside the kitchen window. They're carrier pigeons. Which one of you feathered friends can take me to the hotel?
Adora, no. They don't carry people. But they used to carry messages.
Oh, I understand now.
Would you like to ask them to deliver a postcard to Kenneth?
Oh, yes! But I don't have any birdseed to pay them with. I'll dash over to the farmer's market and barter this giant eraser for sunflower seeds. Thanks for watching! Oh, wait! Before you go, could you tap that red subscribe button? The more friends I have on YouTube, the more videos I can make.